Did you know that reptiles are cold-blooded? Unlike warm-blooded mammals and birds, reptiles rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. Did you know that reptiles have scales? These protective and often overlapping scales provide a waterproof barrier and help prevent water loss from their bodies. Did you know that reptiles lay eggs? Most reptiles, including snakes, lizards, turtles, and crocodilians, reproduce by laying eggs. However, some reptiles, such as certain species of snakes and lizards, give birth to live young. Did you know that reptiles have a unique respiratory system? They breathe using lungs, unlike amphibians that can also respire through their skin. Did you know that some reptiles, like the tuatara, can have a third eye? The parietal eye, also known as the third eye, is a light-sensitive organ on top of the head that helps them detect changes in light and temperature. Did you know that reptiles have the ability to go into a state of dormancy called brumation? Similar to hibernation, brumation is a period of reduced activity and metabolism during colder months. Did you know that some reptiles, such as geckos and chameleons, have the ability to change colour? This colour change is often used for camouflage or communication purposes. Did you know that reptiles have a wide variety of teeth adaptations? Some reptiles have sharp teeth for capturing and tearing prey, while others have teeth adapted for crushing and grinding plant matter. Did you know that reptiles have a diverse range of locomotion methods? Some reptiles, like snakes, move by slithering, while others, like lizards and crocodilians, use a combination of walking and crawling. Did you know that reptiles have an extraordinary sense of smell? They use their highly developed olfactory system to detect prey, locate mates, and navigate their environment. Did you know that reptiles have remarkable regenerative abilities? While not as extensive as axolotls, some reptiles, like certain species of lizards, can regenerate their tails if they are lost or damaged. Did you know that reptiles have been around for millions of years? They first appeared during the Carboniferous period, approximately 300 million years ago, and have since diversified into a wide range of species. Did you know that reptiles have various methods of defense? Some reptiles, like turtles, have protective shells, while others, like venomous snakes, use venom as a defense mechanism. Did you know that reptiles have unique reproductive strategies? Some reptiles, like certain species of lizards, can reproduce through parthenogenesis, where females can lay fertile eggs without mating with males. Did you know that reptiles have played important roles in mythology and symbolism throughout human history? They have been depicted in various cultural and religious contexts, often representing concepts such as wisdom, power, and reason. Did you know that reptiles are incredibly diverse? They include snakes, lizards, turtles, crocodilians, and tuataras, each with their own unique characteristics. Did you know that reptiles have been around for a long time? They first appeared over 300 million years ago during. Did you know that reptiles are found on every continent except Antarctica? They have adapted to various environments, from deserts to rainforests and even underwater habitats. Did you know that reptiles are masters of camouflage? Many reptiles have coloration and patterns that help them blend into their surroundings, making them difficult to spot. Did you know that some reptiles, like chameleons, can change their skin color? This ability allows them to communicate with other members of their species and regulate their body temperature. Did you know that reptiles have a unique way of reproducing? Most reptiles lay eggs, but some species, such as certain types of snakes and lizards, give birth to live young. Did you know that some reptiles can go for long periods without food? They have slower metabolic rates compared to warm-blooded animals, allowing them to survive in environments with scarce food resources. Did you know that reptiles have remarkable regenerative abilities? Some lizards can regrow their tails if they are damaged or severed. Did you know that reptiles are often associated with longevity and wisdom? The giant tortoise, for example, is known for its exceptional lifespan, with some individuals living over 100 years. Did you know that reptiles have unique adaptations for survival? For instance, the spiny-tailed iguana has sharp, spiky scales on its tail that it uses as a defensive weapon against predators.